Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD Forecast A move towards 1.2800 mark looks a distinct possibility. http ntvforex.com News ID 0ob3f3 7/22/2026 37:27 am. GBP USD gains traction for the third straight session on Tuesday amid sustained USD selling. The latest optimism over a potential vaccine for coronavirus undermined the safe haven USD. Sustained move beyond 1.2700 prompted some short covering move and remained supportive. The GBP USD pair added to the previous day's strong intraday positive move of around 150 pips and gained some strong follow-through traction on Tuesday. The third consecutive day of a positive move was exclusively sponsored by a broad-based US dollar sell-off. The continuous surge in coronavirus infections in the US fueled concerns that the economic recovery will take much longer than expected and kept the USD bulls on the defensive. This, coupled with the latest optimism over a potential vaccine for the highly contagious disease, boosted investors' confidence, which further dented the USD's perceived safe haven status. The greenback was further undermined by the fact that Republicans and Democrats are struggling to reach consensus on the next round of U.S. economic stimulus measures. It is worth reporting that the Democrat majority House of Representatives passed a $3 trillion relief bill 2 months ago, but the same has been largely ignored by the Republican majority Senate. In the absence of any negative Brexit-related headlines, sustained weakness surrounding the USD was seen as one of the key factors that provided a strong boost and lifted the pair further beyond mid-1.2700s, to the highest level since June 11. The pair finally settled around 35-40 pips off daily swing highs. The pair now seems to have entered a bullish consolidation phase and was seen oscillating in a narrow trading band through the Asian session on Wednesday. There isn't any major market-moving economic data due for release from the UK, and hence, the USD price dynamics might continue to act as an exclusive driver of the pair's momentum. Later during the early North American session, the release of existing home sales data from the US might also pass unnoticed and fail to provide any meaningful impetus. Hence, the key focus will remain on developments surrounding the US stimulus package. Short-term technical outlook. From a technical perspective, the overnight strong positive move reinforced a near-term bullish breakthrough, a symmetrical triangle, and supports prospects for additional gains. The positive outlook is further reinforced bullish technical indicators on the daily chart, which are still far from being in the overbought territory. Hence, a move back towards testing June monthly swing highs, levels just above the 1.2800 round figure mark, remains a distinct possibility. That said, any subsequent positive move is more likely to confront stiff resistance, rather remain capped near the 1.28750 region. On the flip side, weakness below the 1.2700 mark now seems to find decent support near the previous strong resistance breakpoint, around the 1.267065 region. Failure to defend the mentioned support might prompt some technical selling and accelerate the slide back towards the very important 200-day SMA, around the 1.2600-1.2590 region. This is followed by a 2-1-2-week-old ascending trend line, the lower end of the symmetrical triangle, around the 1.254035 region, which if broken will negate the constructive setup and prompt some aggressive technical selling. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.